Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Pirate Bay safely. In addition to this, I'm going to be letting you guys in on a little bonus secret as well, and that is vpndiscount.org, a website where you're going to be able to access premium VPNs for a whopping 75% to 80% discount. It feels too good to be true, right? And if you actually want to use Pirate Bay safely, you're going to have to keep your online identity anonymous. And for this, I recommend getting NordVPN or ExpressVPN. And talking about NordVPN, it offers ultra-fast connections for uninterrupted browsing and smooth streaming experience. Also, it has thousands of servers across over 100 countries, which is super cool because you're going to be able to choose any server that suits your needs, whether for gaming, streaming, or browsing safely. With the NordVPN, you don't have to fear for your safety because it uses AES 256 encryption, which means your data is securely safe from prying eyes. The second top tier VPN that I would recommend for you guys is also ExpressVPN. One good thing that ExpressVPN is properly known for is the remarkable speed at which it operates. ExpressVPN guarantees HD streaming and a smooth gaming experience without any lag and a wide range of locations to choose from if you want to bypass geo restrictions and access contents from anywhere. In addition to this, the security of ExpressVPN is undoubtedly top-notch. ExpressVPN utilizes industry-leading encryption and has a strict no-logs policy to securely keep your online activities private. The advantages do not just stop there. One of the reasons I do recommend these VPNs is the unbelievable discounts available on both of them. Like I said, you can save money by simply purchasing them from VPN discount. Alright, so back to the use of Pirate Bay. Let us address the fundamental question: is torrenting itself illegal? I mean, do you stand the risk of legal sanctions for torrenting? Well, the answer is actually no. Torrenting is not inherently illegal. If it were, it wouldn't be a viable technology. Torrenting functions as a peer-to-peer file sharing system, allowing users to download files directly from one another rather than from a centralized server. However, the legality of torrenting depends on the files being downloaded or shared. For example, downloading sensitive government documents is likely illegal, whereas downloading free and open source operating systems like FreeBSD and Linux is a legitimate use of torrenting. For the sake of simplicity, let's consider a more relatable scenario: movies or games. Assuming you are trying to download a popular movie or video game that you love so much, you could use Pirate Bay to obtain a tracker file for that movie or game. But then you have to understand that Pirate Bay is only hosting the tracker, not the actual game or film. This singularly places the site in a gray area regarding copyright laws. If Pirate Bay was to host the movie or video game itself, that would clearly be copyright infringement. Because they are not hosting the movie or game, the responsibility directly falls on the user who chooses to download the file, which in this case is you. Believe me when I tell you that I've seen several cases in which a common argument is that some users believe that if you have purchased a DVD, downloading a digital copy for personal use should be permissible. This defense has been presented in court settings where at times it was accepted. However, that decision has since been overturned, and the current legal stance is clear. Torrenting is legal, but downloading copyrighted material is where it starts to get a little murky. Unfortunately, users can sometimes find it hard to identify whether or not a file is copyrighted, and this may cause the user to unknowingly break the law. But hang on a second. Why is this so much of a problem when all you did was simply download a movie or game privately in your apartment without telling anyone? Well, this leads us to an important question. How do organizations like the Music and Film Industry Association of America identify individuals who download films and games illegally? I mean, no one actually goes about announcing that he or she downloaded a movie or a game illegally, so how do they find out? Well, it's simple. They establish agreements with internet service providers, ISPs, to gain access to data regarding users' online activities. Now, the ISPs track the internet traffic of their customers, which allows these organizations to identify potential lawbreakers. I remember mentioning breaking the law, yes? You stand the risk of jail term for illegal torrenting. In the United States, for instance, you could be charged with up to 5 years of jail if you are found guilty 10 times within 6 months for illegal torrenting. But how can you avoid all of these and keep yourself and your online activities anonymous? That is where utilizing a VPN comes in. A VPN works by encrypting your data and masking your IP address, thereby concealing your online behavior from your ISP. The added layer of privacy that VPNs bring is crucial for anyone concerned about potential legal repercussions associated with downloading, torrenting content. You'll agree with me that online privacy and security have become exceptionally important, especially in this modern digital age. Apart from legal sanctions, there are cyber threats lurking around every corner, and so using a reliable VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN could actually be a game changer for you. If you want to use the Pirate Bay safely, I recommend getting NordVPN or ExpressVPN right now over at vpndiscount.org. So why should you choose NordVPN or ExpressVPN? Both NordVPN and ExpressVPN securely mask your IP address and keep your identity anonymous. So even if you torrent illegally, it would not be traceable to you since your online identity has been shielded completely. Additionally, NordVPN and ExpressVPN can help you bypass geo restrictions by easily switching your virtual location. This will in turn give you access to sites, shows, and movies that may be restricted in your country of residence or present location. Apart from the thrill that comes with 24/7 customer support, you can also rest assured that NordVPN and ExpressVPN will work perfectly on any of your devices, be it Mac, Windows PC, iOS, Android, and even routers. So be sure to check the links in the pinned comment and go to vpndiscount.org. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy torrenting, just be safe, and you're going to be good to go.